Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my channel, Bricoleuse, where I share tips, techniques, and equipment spotlights from over 25 years working as a costume craftsperson. Fabric-covered buttons are a beautiful detail to enhance historical costumes and contemporary bespoke clothing. And a button press can simplify and streamline creating them. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use an industrial press with button dies. The dies are sold by number and weight. The number is the size of button hardware they work with, and the weight is the weight of fabric they accommodate. In addition to the top and bottom dies, they come with a fabric cutter and a wooden dowel for inserting the fabric and button cap into the top die. And if you use the cutter in tandem with a rubber pad, the cutter's edge will remain sharp longer. I'll demonstrate the cutting process. First, place the rubber pad on the base, then position some folded fabric in the press. The cutter is designed for mass production and works best to cut multiple fabric discs at a time. Press it hard, and you're done. Here's one of the cut pieces, ready to cover a button. And here are the two pieces of button hardware, the cap and the shank back. Where I work, we stock these in bulk with color-coded labels by size and type. The shank back die has a post, which goes into the hole in the base of the press. Then the fabric and cap must be loaded into the top die. Place the fabric disc into that circular recession, and there's a divot in the center in which the cap will rest. Use the dowel to press the cap and fabric down into the shaft of the die. Here's another view of that process. You can see how the fabric wraps around the cap inside the shaft. Now it's time to press the button. Put the shank back into the chamber of the bottom die. Put the top die, loaded with the fabric and cap, into position and press it hard. Remove the top die, and inside the bottom chamber is the finished covered button. You can get quite fancy with these, centering a motif on the fabric disc or employing creative piecing methods. For more video spotlights on equipment to make your costume department more efficient, check out this playlist.